Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Let's transform these nails together.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Okay guys, so for once I'm working on a client. Woohoo! These nail beds are short, they are bitten, and you can see that the skin is puffy and swollen, and that's just from constantly having the fingers in the mouth. Okay, so we need to stop that. If anybody does that, try your best to stop it if you want that kind of thing to go away. So anyway, I'm going to do my client's nails, and I'm starting off by just removing that nail polish. You will also see that she does have some false tan kind of stained around the skin that she's bitten, which is a little bit not very pleasing to the eye, but unfortunately it's nothing that I can do. It just fades over time. So this is the before, and then of course we are going to create that black super elegant gorgeous set. So I'm coming in and I'm starting off with the super scraper, and I'm just going ahead with the pusher side, and I'm pushing back those cuticles, making sure to be nice and gentle. And because of the angle on the super scraper, it is super safe and easy to use. I love using this tool. We have just had a batch finish manufacturing, and hopefully we should have them back soon, so definitely sign up for the stock alert notifications on the website, because I'll link it down below. So then you just pop your email in. As soon as we add the stock, you'll be notified, and then you don't miss out, because honestly we sell out of these super quick every time they come back. But yeah, I'm just removing. No, I'm not. I'm just pushing back the cuticles. As you can see, I'm being very gentle. We don't want to cause any damage. We don't want to press on the nail plate. We're just pushing back just to even that and lift very gently that dead skin from the nail plate and just expose more of the natural nail. But you don't want to be forcing it back. You don't want it to be uncomfortable for your client or anything like that. So next I decided to come in with my sanding bands. So these are the new sanding bands from my website. I'll try and pop a picture on the screen if I remember. They are the 180 grit zebra sanding bands. Jesus, I cannot talk this morning. Sanding bands. Also, I'm using the Easy Off mandrel bit, which is incredible, guys. I've always struggled with sanding bands. As you know, I've never really used them because I've never found one that's been, I don't know, I've always struggled to get the sanding band part off the bit. So I'm just like, it's pointless. I end up throwing them away and just buying another. Anyway, our new Easy Off mandrel, literally the sanding band slides off as soon as you finish, and you can just replace it. So I am loving using this bit, and if you haven't got it yet, definitely get it, try it out, and let me know on Instagram or come and comment here on YouTube. I always try and read all of my comments, and if I've read it, I'll usually leave it a little heart. No, I don't usually, I definitely do if I've read it. And sometimes I also reply as well. So yeah, I do try my best to reply to everyone when I see your comments, especially if it's like a question or something more than just, you know, an emoji or something like that. Even then I try to reply. So many. So yeah, I'm coming back in now with the nippers, and I'm just going in and removing that dead skin and cuticle that has lifted away when I push them back. So this isn't anything that is living, this is just the tissue that's grown onto the nail plate that is a little bit unsightly, and we just want to tidy that area up. I would just like to remind you, if you haven't already, to subscribe and also turn on that notification bell. That way, as soon as I upload, you should be notified. Also, one of you guys did let me know that if you don't have your notifications turned on for the app on your phone, even if you do put the bell on, you still won't get a notification. So you do need to do that if you want to be notified. I think that's right. If it's not, let me know, and then I can update everybody again. So next I'm coming in with the fine cuticle cardboard bit, and this is just a further step in the prep routine that's going to allow me to really thoroughly ensure that all that dead cuticle and overgrown cuticle on the nail plate is removed. So when I'm using this bit, I'm not applying any pressure to the nail, I'm simply tickling it across the nail bed, across the nail plate, and I'm just removing that excess skin. As you can see, it all flaking off there. You don't want to be applying any pressure with this bit. We're simply just getting into those hard to reach areas and ensuring that it's effectively and efficiently cleansed and cleaned of all that extra cuticle that's grown onto the plate, so that when we apply our product, it can be applied and it can last and be applied with a super strong bond because there's nothing in the way of those products meeting the natural nail. So yeah, this bit is also available from my website, which again, I always try to link the products down below and list them so you guys can access them easy, even if you don't just want to check them out. I just always like to be able to do that for you, so it's easier for you to find them, you know? So next I will be coming in with the Safe Scrub and the Scrub Brush, and I like to do this because obviously it cleanses the dust from the natural nail, but it also cleans the nail plate and dehydrates as well. So the Safe Scrub that we have on the website has antibacterial properties and also prevents any kind of, fungal growth and things like that. So it's really such a great product. So next I'm coming in and I'm going to be applying the easy tips, and yeah, I'm just trimming them down just so that there isn't as much nail tip on the nail plate, because I want most of the product to be there to create a stronger bond and a longer lasting set. So yeah, I'm just going to apply all of those, and this is how they look. They are beautiful, and they are perfect for coffin shapes, ballerina shapes, stiletto. Absolutely love these tips. So next I'll be coming in with my clear base, and this is the Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm just using a small bead with my number 12 brush and just applying that and blending it down over the nail tip. Okay, so next we're going to get into the set now that we've applied the clear base, and I'm starting off with Houdini, and this is the main colour that I am going to be using throughout the set along with some glitters, but I'm starting with a full nail of Houdini. So I'm applying a nice small bead, blending it down the nail, and then coming in with my cuticle bead and making sure to make sure it's nice and neat and tucked in at that cuticle area, and then when I cap I can come in and file it and make sure it's nice and crisp and clean. When you're applying colours, just remember as well to continuously wipe and clean your brush. You do get used to it. At first it's a little bit of like, oh my god, am I doing it enough? Am I doing it too much? But you just get used to the amount that you need to clean it as you start learning more and working with your products more. Moving on to the next nail, I'm coming in with Houdini. I'm just doing a super thin wet layer, and this is just as a base for the glitter that I'm coming in with. So next I'm coming in with Deceased, which is a pre-mixed glitter infused acrylic powder, and I'm just applying that over the entire nail, and then on top of that I'm going to be coming in with a chunky black glitter, which is called, I think it's Nebula. Yes, it is. It's Nebula, and it's a holographic black, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Perfect for like Halloween, or even if you just want a black set, of course, but like Halloween's coming up, and yeah, this would be a beautiful glitter with either blacks, oranges, the greens, purples. It'll look beautiful. And then on the edge I'm coming in with Look At Me Now. No, I'm not, I'm lying. It's Hotline Bling. So Look At Me Now and Hotline Bling are effectively the same style of glitter, it's just that one's finer. So I'm using Hotline Bling, which is the finer version of that, and I'm just applying it at the tip and then blending it and feathering it up the nail ever so slightly so that it melts into that black. So next I'm coming in with Nude Attitude, and I'm creating a smile line. As you guys know, I am currently putting together my online smile line class, and I'm so excited for that to be available. I'm going to be covering a lot of topics in that class. We'll be creating salon and extreme length smile lines. We'll also be going over infilling and backfilling a smile line as well. So it's going to be packed with information, and I'm hoping to finish it soon. I was going to have it up last week, but then I've decided to add a bit of extra stuff to it because I want to give you guys the most. So It's taken me a little bit longer than expected, so definitely look out for that, and I'll be sure to notify you once it is up. So yeah, I created the smile line and I'm just letting it set. I'm coming to the thumbnail now and I'm just doing a full nail of Houdini, and then I'm coming in with Deceased and the Nebula glitter as well. I know that it's not Halloween yet, but dare I ask what you guys are thinking of dressing up as for Halloween, even though I'm not even sure if anybody's going to be going anywhere with the current situations. But anyway, yeah, let me know if you have any plans, if you're even bothering figuring out a costume or anything like that. I absolutely love Halloween, and I love Halloween makeup, SFX makeup. I couldn't say it then, that's why I sounded a bit dodgy. SFX, it's a bit of a funny like combo, but yeah, special effects makeup, love it, absolutely love it. So yeah, as you guys know, I did win a makeup competition quite a few years ago now. I'd love to delve back into doing makeup and things. Hopefully soon I will get that time to do that. Just at the moment we have so much going on, and those things need to come first, and then I'll be back into the makeup, which I cannot wait. So now that I'm finished with some of the nails, I'm coming in, I'm going to cap those. The reason I like to cap it now is just because I'm going to be coming in and refining those smile lines, which means that there's going to be dust particles flying everywhere, and you don't want to accidentally get some of those caught underneath and then encapsulate them on top, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Hopefully it does. So I always like to come and cap the nails that are done prior to refining any smile lines or any colour blocking. If you are enjoying this video and learning some stuff, then I would love if you can go and give it a thumbs up and share it as well. It just helps it spread further, it helps more people see it, more people enjoy my content, and I would be super grateful. So yeah, if you're learning and loving, then show the love back, please, thank you. So I'm going to go ahead and finish capping this nail in Crystal Clear. So now I'm coming back to my smile lines and I'm applying the Houdini acrylic, and yes, I love creating smile lines. I think they look beautiful as long as they are executed perfectly and that line is super crisp. They are just stunning, absolutely stunning. So yeah, I'm just applying that black acrylic, and then I will reveal that later on in the video. For the next smile line nail, I am going to be coming in with the black acrylic, but also the Deceased and I think a little bit of the Nebula, I can't quite remember. But yeah, I'm just applying those to that free edge, and then I will go in and cap them. So now I'm coming in with the smooth top ceramic bit from my website, and I'm just going ahead and refining those nails, debulking, and just making sure that my apex and everything is on point and in the correct position. I do come in with my hand file after that, but the e-file just does the majority of the work and just makes sure that I'm not getting like arm ache or hand ache or, you know, overworking my muscles and ligaments and things like that. So it definitely is worth looking into investing in an e-file if you are intending on servicing a lot of clients or doing your own nails a lot even. So yeah, oh, look at that reveal. Honestly, love revealing these crisp smile lines, and I can't wait I can't wait for you guys to join on my smile line class when I do that. You guys are gonna love it. Honestly, you're gonna love it. It's bloody lovely. Look how gorgeous they are. And this is with black, like, it looks glorious. So yeah, I'm just going to finish refining and then I'll be back to top coat. So I've removed all of the dust and I'm coming in with Super Gloss No Wipe Top Coat, and I'm top coating all of the nails. I did also add some crystals as well because we wanted that extra bling tang, you know what I'm saying. I cured in the Nailmate Pro lamp, which is available now. I'll leave a photo on screen and link it down below for you guys if you are interested. And this is the final result, guys. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did and haven't already, please give it a thumbs up. I love this transformation. I think it turned out beautiful. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember, you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love ya. Mwah. Bye.